In this video, we'll learn how to use the head motion sensor. The ReGrasp comes with a head motion sensor earpiece that can be used to control the stim unit grasping function of the ReGrasp. With the stim unit on, activate the head motion sensor by pressing the power button on the top of the earpiece. Once paired, the head motion sensor will show a green light, and the stim's screen will display a check mark as well as an antenna signal in the top corner of the screen. Place the head motion sensor over the ear so that the body of the earpiece sits behind your ear and its curved part curls over the top of your ear. Make sure it sits snugly and can't fall off when you make quick head movements. If you wear glasses, we recommend you wear your glasses over the head motion sensor. To select which head motion you want to use, select Device Setup from the main menu. Scroll down until you reach the head motion sensor. You can select which motion you want to use by scrolling left or right. The head motion required to remotely control the ReGrasp is small and deliberate. Concentrate on the tip of your nose moving about 1 centimeter. To avoid false triggers, double movements are ignored. Let's go ahead and try the down-up motion. Select head motion, number 1. Watch the video demonstration and try to replicate the motion. When the head motion is detected, the stim screen will display a check mark, and if the audio is on, it will beep. Practice a few times. You can also try motion number 2, up, down, number 3, to the right, or number 4, to the left. Choose the motion that works best for you. To exit, scroll to the end of the list to exit and return to the main menu. To use the head motion to control the ReGrasp, enter FES mode. Using the head motion you selected, you can open, close, or relax the hand. If you need to immediately turn off the stimulation, for example, if the stimulation becomes uncomfortable, simply hit the stim unit and it will disarm.